Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find tutorial videos on the Flip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button at the lower right corner of the screen, and New, go to the question icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and here go to the second option, the guide video, and here you can find different videos, and if you want to play one, just click to the play button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.